The reset button on a Rheem Tankless water heater is typically found on the front of the unit behind a removable access panel. First, ensure the unit is powered on. Look for a small, usually red or black button labeled Reset. It might be near the temperature display or other control buttons. In some models, you might need to remove the outer casing to access the control panel where the reset button is located. Consult your specific model's manual if you're unsure of the exact location. To reset your Rheem tankless water heater, simply press and hold the reset button for a few seconds, typically 3 to 5 seconds. This should restart the unit. If the heater frequently requires resetting, it indicates a potential underlying issue. Common causes include a clogged air filter, which you can clean or replace, mineral buildup affecting the heat exchanger, which requires flushing the system, or a faulty sensor. If resetting doesn't resolve the problem or the unit continues to malfunction, consult a qualified plumbing professional for diagnosis and repair to avoid further damage.